We're particularly interested in social media. Is it something that you guys enjoy using, or is it just Twitter?
I got addicted to Facebook when I first started using that, and I think there's something. I like social media. I dabbled in Twitter to start with, and I got in fairly deep.
Hence you being here this evening, I'm guessing.
Yeah, no, it's great that it came up. I'm really glad I'm around and I can come to it. I've often been tweeting when I've not been here, when I've been away from home, and it's been a nice sort of having a social contact when I've been working away from home on my own.
Do you think for people that don't use Twitter or who aren't social media fluent, do you think they can understand why we sit at home on our computers sending 140 character messages to people?
I think a lot of people sit at home with their mobile phones sending 160 character messages to each other. It's just a wider version of that, and it's much, much cheaper as well. And it's a way to meet new people that you wouldn't necessarily run into and have great conversations with them. So I think they can relate.
Do you think events like tonight and the fact that it's doing a good thing for charity legitimises social media in some ways, sort of puts it in front of the ordinary man or woman in the street and makes them understand it a bit better?
Maybe it does. I think it's great. People are enthusiastic about the water charity cause, but I don't think that social media needs to prove itself by doing that. I mean, the people who are involved in Twitter are obviously keen to support it, but I think it fulfills social needs, it helps people with business needs, and it can also help to sort of spread messages about other causes. So but I don't think it needs to prove itself, but people should buy raffle tickets.
Okay, so in 140 characters, why do you use Twitter?
You see, now somebody said, I'm sorry that I've written you a long letter because I didn't have time to send
140 characters up.
You know, it takes a lot more. It's difficult to think. People don't always send tweets because they've got nothing to say. You know, I'm a poet, and I think quite carefully about what I write in a short message. So that was a shit answer.
I use Twitter because I can meet interesting people and find out interesting stuff and waste time when I'm supposed to be working.